creating a corridor through the yard area. So we have our geometry, and as you can see in the view, my 2D to the left, and I have my original corridor I created with my single track, and my 3D to the right where I can see my yard geometry. So first thing we can do is copy my initial template drop, and we're going to just go to the end of the yard and then the end of the alignment. So we have that piece. I now need to create a corridor for this piece in the middle. So I'll click on the geometry, go to my create corridor. I'm going to type in a name, South Track Yard Area. Then I need to select a template. So I'm going to pick this one because I want this one to stretch out to the left to follow this other yard track. Give it a start. Give it an end. And then it's just next, next, next. So I now have my single track going all the way through, but obviously I need it to follow this outer track over here, this yard area. So we need to apply what we call a point control. So I can create a point control. I can locate my corridor. I set the start and the end. I'm going to call it yard 1. And I need to pick a point. Now the point is in the template and is actually this one, this branch point. The mode is horizontal, and the other piece of geometry is going to be my yard layout. So now I have my main line and my yard, and what I could do now is create a corridor for this crossover. So I'm just going to zoom in to this area, and it's the same. Select my geometry, select the create corridor tool, reset, give it a name. I now need to select a different template. In this case I have one called just ballast, and then I'm just going to start, end, so now I've modeled my main line, my siding and my crossover.